Going on, Raw Dogs? As you can see, we back with another vlog, and as I hold in my hand, it's a new part for Yeti. As the last video I dropped, man, I had just wrecked my car, and you feel me? A lot of y'all was joking on my top out. A lot of y'all was some real dogs, real niggas about y'all. You feel me? Y'all Raw Dogs 5L, you hear me? So look, man, I'm gonna be doing the fixing to my car. You feel me? This is my dream car, and I love Mopars. I ain't gonna say I love Mopars. I love Chryslers. So I like you want to enjoy sharing. We'll do it. To be real, I wanted to do it. It's like and on top of that, like the fixes ain't hot. You feel me? And I got the bread for the fixes. So like, why not have fun doing it and bring content to the channel? You feel me? Run this channel, you know. So that's what we're gonna be doing right here in my hand. Let me show y'all what I got. I already opened it, of course, to make sure it's the right stuff. These my tie rod, inner and outer. Go on. Inner and outer tie rod. And before my camera died, let me switch batteries real quick. Before we start, like I said, I really don't care what nobody say in the comments for real. Like, at the end of the day, you gonna live your life, so I'm gonna live mine. I'm gonna do what I wanna do, you gonna do what you wanna do, you feel me? So, I appreciate you for watching though. But let me show y'all up under my car. We put the dummy on it because all that bent, gang. I put the bumper back on too because I got tired of pulling up in my driveway and seeing that bump out. And the right side, my nigga. Yeah, ain't no wrong with the right side, but it ate up on the tie back here. Other than that, bro, solid. So, in today's video, you're gonna see me putting this on. Hopefully, I get to put it on because it is finna rain. So if it start raining, I won't be able to put it on. It'll probably be tomorrow. So I might just take the safer route and just do it tomorrow. But I'm gonna let y'all know what I got on the way too. So this is what y'all gonna be seeing me do. This fender right here, it's a bump right there, scratch down here, buy a new fender. Feel me? Right now, we ain't even got to the back tire. Start diagnosing the back tire for real. So we really just, on the front side, there were all the damages now that we looking for real. So let me get down here. As y'all can see, all right, that's my tie rod. And this, you feel me? That ain't supposed to be bent, gang. If y'all know that ain't supposed to be bent. So, I'm gonna put that on. I wish I can get up under here a little more. So, to be honest, this video might come from my phone. I might do a lot of recording from my phone, so it's more, I'm able to show y'all more up under there. And it ain't even no how-to video, you feel me? But it don't hurt to learn. It don't hurt to learn. On the back, right now, I'm thinking that it needs strips. So when I get to taking this tire, the back tire off, and really looking up under, I can really, feel me, say what it needs. I had already took out the front tire trying to do some shit with it. So yeah, this is what the back tire look like. And right now, I probably seen this origin. I just got out of work, I ain't gonna lie. I literally just got out of work. Feel me? I'm finna jack it up and see if I can straighten out this front tire. The front tire, so I can get to the tie rod, the inner and outer tie rod. Alright, it's a little dark now, I ain't gonna lie. It was brighter with my battery and stuff. For the camera had died, then I had a dummy jack. I think y'all seen it in one video, but anyway, we finna jack it up, take tile, so we can change these tie rods. Y'all seen from the beginning of the video. Don't mind my dog in the background. I don't think he's gonna shut up the whole video, so. Right now we finna take tile. If you're watching this video, 9 times out of 10, you should know how to take a tile off. So, can you come down and point here? Right now, we got a dummy on. So look, gang, y'all get the gist. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I take this tire off. So I can see my tires off. Now, I ain't gonna lie. Probably also can tell it's dark outside too, so I don't know how much I'm gonna get done. This the boat we trying to wait. This the boat we finna unscrew. I can't turn my tire because you feel me, the rod bent. So put two and two together. Get shit. Y'all probably like, don't get up on here, don't get up on nigga. I ain't rich like y'all. I can't put my car up on the lift. Ain't got no lift in my crib. Keep gangster with y'all. I might not be able to break it with this one. Ooh, this bitch is on that tank. A lot of y'all be like, get a flame to it, get a flame to it. Do it like I got a flame to it. No. What we gonna do? We gonna thug how we thug, man. We got this. We got some other shit right here. We gonna thug how we thug. So, cameraman, could you get up in here? Get up in here, please. Come on, get right here. On my head. And we gonna try to break it manually. I don't know if I got enough man strength for all that. We for sure gonna try. Yeah, this our best bet right now. Bag it up, man. That's our best bet. So I'm gonna try to do that once I can get that lined up. Alright, so like I said, once I get it lined up, and I just got it lined up, I'm gonna give you hell. Boy, it's gonna give me hell one. I think it's gonna give me hell, y'all. Come on now. Y'all know I'm listening. Get up in there. Get up in there. Get up in there. Can you see it? Alright, join me. I'll see it breaking a little bit. I done broke it. I'm trying to get it loosen up so I can get it with the impact. Now bag it up real quick. You know what I was taught, you feel me? I was taught the market. I see the market. So right now I'm gonna count my threads too. You feel me? That's to grease it and shit. You know, got a lot of shit going on right now. But bear with me, man. This ain't no how-to. This ain't professional, at least, but it is a how-to. Just make sure y'all like the video so I can. If I drop it, y'all know I'm alive. If I drop it, then y'all know I'm alive. That's all that matters, right? Ice, bro. We get it, fool. They ain't gonna like the video, bro. Y'all see how he stopped barking, didn't he? Oh, never mind. Yeah, if y'all like the video, he'll stop barking. Y'all don't want to hear that little raspberry bark. Okay, cool. Now we can get back to this. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like the hardest part gonna be dealing with the inner tie rod because I'm just using the regular jack, bro. Getting up on the car when you don't really jack, it's hard to get certain angles. Which is what I really should have done first. I'm finna loosen it. Break this nut right here. Damn, it's already loose. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, my shit lemon. I'm riding on pure faith. Though I deserve to be going backwards down the road. My alignment people suck. Nah, they wasn't even alignment. I just hit myself on here with that. This one weak ass impact, bro. My bad, child. Yeah. I know. Let's see. As y'all can see, the lug is out. Hey, look. Another thing, bro. Do not reuse the lug off your ball joint on the outer side, man. I seen a dude said it's a one-time nut. You feel me? All the guys gonna get it. Look, so I ain't gonna say throw it away, but you feel me? Just put it to the side, guy. So I ain't got no hammer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take one of these bad boys and kind of like get a little tap. Like I said, this video is not professional, gang, at all. But we get a little tap. Right here. So the sucker don't want to budge. Gonna have him a little tap up here. Dang, bro. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. I'm trying not to tap too hard, but bro. Y'all, everything broke under here. Woo. Make sure that's still in place. Bro, it's okay. Yeah, I did at least get my all right, y'all. Having technical difficulties, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get it out. I'm over here looking this way, my bad. I'm gonna get it out. When I get it out, that's when y'all gonna see when I get it out, because right now we have a little problem. And I get frustrated when I have problems. Like the video before I have a problem with y'all, gang. Y'all see me heartbreak, gang? I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna be a longer process. Ain't gonna be too much long, but that last part y'all seen where I couldn't get it out because it wasn't slide straight out. Either I'm gonna do that part off camera, or I'm just gonna do the whole tie rod part off camera. Feel me? Like I said, it wasn't no how-to video, but you feel me? Y'all learn how to do the first parts. So, next time y'all see me, it's either gonna be on or it's gonna be off, and I'm putting the rest of it on. And I keep looking over here. I'm so used to my camera, y'all. I'm on my phone. So, man, I like the video right now. It sucks that I couldn't go ahead and get it done. I figured I was gonna run into this problem though, or a problem with this part of the rebuild. So, y'all stay tuned for the next day. Alright, what's going on right now? As you can see, I'm in my room. I'm back in a different angle. Last clip y'all seen, I couldn't get the tie rod out the little hole, and that's because it's bent, so it's kind of leaning up against the wall a little bit, where I can't just tap it straight through. So we're gonna do some little further stuff before getting that off and getting it on. Right now I'm getting y'all the update on everything I got. Everything not in order. So I might drop this first and make the part 2 me putting on everything, since I really got everything. And before I continue, we gonna I'm gonna get a new rack and pin. I don't know, they looked on it, my uncle looked on it and said, I think probably got a little bend in it. When I looked at it, I ain't seen nothing, but he probably must know more than me. So right now, bro, we gonna start with everything I got so far. To give y'all a little update, and I ain't gonna lie, bro, I probably ain't even spent over $300 on everything. Everything's right so far. Everything, all that, bro. The expenses ain't even happening. Alright, so these the tie rods. Y'all seen me trying to put these on. In and out of tie rods. I got 2 on, one for both sides. Got them. This the other side. Or whichever side you choose. This box right here I ain't gonna show y'all. That's the front. I'm not gonna show y'all my attic. But this box right here got my fender brackets on for the whole put on the bottom part where you snap your bump on, you know. And this back there about a quarter pounder where it bent after we finished doing the body work on it. We're gonna put this new bracket on so my bumper can clasp back into it. Just another bumper bracket. Cause my other one, man, bless me, y'all. Excuse me. Alright, so this right here, snap, my old one snap, is on this. A piece of it left. So that, and that's all for this box. It didn't come together like I just, you know, saved space and put it together. This just came today. Today is the 21st. I know it's probably been plenty of days in this video. But this right here, this is my control arm that snap. I don't even know if y'all can see it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rock with y'all this time and open it. Since it's on camera, I'm gonna rock with y'all. This is my control arm. It was already bad as it was. It was already bent from like in this area. It was bent, and when I went and got an alignment, they told me I needed to get a new one before getting another alignment. So it snapped during the rig, and so we just got us a new one. You know, look, good sturdy passenger side control arm. Let me chill out here. So yeah, got that. That was just came. The only thing I'm waiting for now is my passenger side fender because I don't like what the body look like. Feel me, got a little slight dent in it. And a bumper. Other than that, I probably ain't gonna be out of a rack. A little over a rack. Ain't nothing. So yeah, in the next video or either in the next section of this video, y'all gonna see me put stuff on. But I probably might as well just do a two-part video of the, you feel me? Y'all get what I'm trying to say, man. I'm a YouTuber. I ain't no perfect person. I got good grammar, but want y'all get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, this is all I got right now. It's the only thing that came so far. So we got passenger control on. This the lower control on. We got tie rod, inner and outer tie rods. Bumper brackets for the front fenders and the back passenger. We got them, and to finish the front end, we're gonna try to get a new rack and pinion, and it's specific with them since the newer model Chrysler got electric power steering. There ain't no power steering pump no more and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna try to get one of them, and I'm gonna rock out for nothing. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe so far. All the ones who rock with the video, man, comment down below. All my haters, comment down below. I hate saying my haters. I ain't nobody for the hate on, bro. But the people who want to make jokes, comment down below. Yeah, bro, we still gonna go together. Nigga, raw dogs 5 L.